Service in Lincoln has issued a severe warning for northern Logan County, central Fulton County, Tazewell County, northeastern Mason County, south central Peoria County until 10 p.m. At 9:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Tremont, or 9 miles southeast of Pekin, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Delavan and Hopedale around 9:20 p.m. Emden around 9:30 p.m. Hartsburg around 9:35 p.m. This includes the following highways: Interstate 155 between mile markers 5 and 29. Interstate 55 between mile markers 136 and 138.